Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create a landing page in Stan Store. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you have a Stan Store account and you are already logged in. And yeah, first, you will have to, of course, log in to Sans Store and then you will create new page or landing page from your dashboard. It will be visible right here once you're already logged in, and then you will just choose a template or start from scratch, and you can add your title, your description, your images, and call to action buttons, and you will click preview to see how your page looks on desktop and mobile. And once you are satisfied, you can just click publish to make it live. And by the way, if your screen looks different, then you can check pages as well and then look for new landing page. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.